This is Yogi.
John Rucker's Boykin Spaniels have a nose for something unique. They aren't finding a lost person or helping solve crimes. They're searching for ornate box turtles. The turtle-sniffing dogs are assisting a team of researchers on an expedition.
If the turtles aren't moving, the dogs won't find them.
Is that because they let off a specific scent when they're moving?
Yeah, and it's likely tied to their urine as they're depositing that trail.
Dr. Matt Allender is the director of the University of Illinois Wildlife Epidemiology Lab at the Brookfield Zoo.
As a dog has to just come in to cross that pattern, they'll stop and then they'll follow that trail until they find that turtle.
Habitat loss, road collisions, and the pet trade have all contributed to shrinking populations of ornate box turtles.
We've converted most of their prairie land into crops and agriculture, and there's obviously good reasons for that as well, but that's how we end up in this situation.
Over the years, the Nature Conservancy began to acquire space like the 4,000-acre Nechusa Grasslands Preserve to help restore habitat and build back populations.
We actually have 25 threatened and endangered species at the state or federal level that use the habitat here at Nechusa Grasslands.
It's a 2 to 3 year old turtle.
Today, Dr. Allender and his team of veterinary researchers are collecting these specimens to get a sense of how well they're doing. Scientists say protecting biodiversity and these turtles has a wider ecological impact because they are sentinels of the habitat. Changes in their health can indicate changes in the ecosystem.
Turtle!
Each time a dog finds a turtle, it's methodically documented.
We've developed this strategy that as soon as a turtle is found, we mark it with a GPS location, and then we tie kind of what we call flagging tape. It's a bright orange tape so that it's easy for us to find.
That's important because the turtles have an intensely strong connection to their homes. If they're not returned, they search 25 times longer and travel 25 times farther to find their homes.
Then they're intersecting with a lot more roads, a lot more predators.
One predator is humans.
So poaching is one of the top 2 threats to this species, habitat loss and poaching.
The turtles remain protected in Colorado, Iowa, Indiana, Nebraska, Kansas, and Wisconsin. The state of Kansas is even considering legislation that would ban people from capturing or possessing them.
These turtles are highly coveted in kind of the black market pet trade, and it's a major concern. So understanding things like potential parasite loads or threats from predators helps us understand how they're interacting with the ecosystem.
Scientists perform a full health check in the field.
If we have a range of sick and healthy turtles, then we know that there are pockets of sick and healthy areas of the ecosystem.
And with the help of these enthusiastic canines,
I'm so proud of you. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You did such a good job.
The hope is that these unique reptiles and their natural habitats will flourish for years to come.
Fine turtle.
I'm Usher Qureshi reporting.
Yeah, a turtle's eye view. That's it.